Guess what I'm driving right now? Take a careful look. It's a very interesting agricultural machine that works on a farm. Are there any farmers here with us today? Or maybe someone who has seen this machine before? What could it possibly be? Think for a moment. It's a very big machine. It has very big wheels and it works in the fields, especially during harvest time. What do you think it is? Guess. Yes, that's right. It's a combine harvester. Great job, everyone. Let's say it all together, nice and loud. Combine harvester. Combine harvester. One more time. Combine harvester. You did it. Well done. That was excellent guessing. Now that we finished driving it, it's time to color it in nice and carefully. You can use bright colors and make it look just like a real machine in the field. Fantastic work! Get ready, because in just a moment there will be another machine to guess. Can you guess what I am driving this time? Watch closely and use your imagination. This machine is very important on a farm. Have you ever seen a big vehicle working in the fields? What machines do farmers use every day? This one is very strong. It has 4 big wheels. And the back wheels are even bigger than the front ones. It can pull heavy machines and help with many different jobs on the farm. Do you know what it is? Yes, that's right. It's a farm tractor. Great job, everyone. Let's say it all together, nice and clear. Tractor, tractor, farm tractor. One more time. Farm tractor. You did it. Excellent guessing. Now that we have finished driving it, it's time to color it in carefully. Maybe it's green, red or blue. You can choose your favorite color. Wonderful work. Get ready, because soon there will be another. Can you guess what I'm driving this time? Look carefully at the shape. This one is a little different from the other farm machines. Have you ever seen a very tall building on a farm? What could farmers use a tall tower for? It's tall and round, and it stands next to barns or fields. It doesn't move, and it doesn't have wheels. Farmers use it to store grain and keep it safe and dry after the harvest. What do you think it is? Can you guess? Yes, that's right. It's a silo. Great job, everyone. Let's say it all together. Silo. Silo. One more time. Silo. You did it. Excellent guessing. Now that we've finished drawing it, it's time to color it in carefully. You can make it gray, silver, or any color you like. Fantastic work. See you in the next episodes. Please subscribe.